Okay, guys, welcome back. So let's look at this now for once and for all. So let's look at the add trip menu here. So here we're going to be adding trips and stuff like that. So we'll start with these squares here. We'll start with these squares here. So trip name, trip location, start date, end date, status of trip. Then we'll save the trip there. So we'll come here. So we'll just duplicate this form since it's got relatable features that are identical and thing like that. So I'll just press Control D. So there we are. So here now, what we're going to do is, let me just change this. Does this have? No, this doesn't have. So we can remove everything here. Then here we'll say not expense, but add. Okay, add trip. Okay, so we'll just get rid of this stuff here. So let's get started. So what you have is the beach, city, hills, island, mountains, religious, road trip, wildlife, and other. Okay. So I guess this would be like buttons. Then you press them, then something will appear here, and stuff like that, I guess. UI design thing. So it might work differently in a production application, but it's definitely UI design thing here. So let's get into it. Let's get this. So just copy everything there, Control C to save us some time. Then just come here and just paste there. Then let's say our reference image, add the trip. So this is ADD ATRIP. Okay, good. So beach, city. Okay, beach, BEACH, beach. Okay, so we delete that. Okay, so let's minimize this. Let's make this a perfect square, 150. So let's lock that. Keep it symmetrical. Okay. Then let's see if we can move the back of the square. Position that. Okay. Okay. All right, that looks good. So let's select everything. So let's position that nicely. All right, okay. So our reference image has got city, hills. Okay. It's actually smaller in height. So let's reduce the height. No. Is it? Oh. So that there. Then just hold on. We'll do that there. Supposed to squeeze 3 of them. 3 in one row. Okay. So let's see. So move that there. Then move that up there with up arrow. I'm using up arrow buttons here. Okay. Then let's see. Okay. 2 more should fit in there. So we'll do a technique of Control D. Then Control D again. Okay. Then we'll come and select. And I'll just position these nicely. Then I'll say Control C. Then I'll come and paste here. Okay. Then what else? One more row. Control paste here. Okay. We're good. We're good. Okay. All right. So there we are. City. Okay, and just escape there. So come to the gizmo. City will select, that was a skyscraper, I believe. Okay, so hills. Okay, next image. Hills. Okay, so here we have an island. So that's our reference image. Okay, so get this one. Okay, that is looking nice there. Mountains. Let's get some mountains in there. Let's see. I think that's the same image. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, that's what this one was for all along. Okay. All right. Really just so let's see, do you have a religious structure here? Okay, this one. Reference image. Okay. All right, so these look smaller in the reference image, but no matter. Everything is fitting into place, so which means it's working. Okay, road trip. That's a road trip or road. Oh, road trip. Okay, road trip. So let's select. Okay. All right. Okay. Oh, good. Oh, good. Okay. 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 Now we are. All right. Two more. Two more. Two more. Wildlife and other. Okay, wildlife and other. So wildlife is which one? Elephant. Okay, so come here. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so other will be suitcase. Genius. Suitcase. Okay. All right. Okay. So that's that there. Let's move on. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 text boxes. All right. Okay. No matter. So like I was saying, I think we can use this one here. So let me just change this. So dot 5. So that is dot 6. Not add expense, but add a trip, add a trip, menu. Okay. All right. So I'll just select this. Okay. And we'll come and paste it right here since we need it here. All right. Okay. So in our reference image, the size of this text box is smaller. So let's reduce it. I'll use the down arrow. Okay. So that looks convincing. So what is it saying? Trip name. So these will be categories of trips that will load here and stuff like that. So I have the trip name here. Then trip location. So just get this, all of this. Control D. So you can use Control CV or Control D. It's up to you. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, Control D to duplicate, and so forth and so on. So trip name, trip location, trip location. So the placeholder is saying city, state, country. Put that in brackets, // // okay, we'll put that in a closed bracket. Okay, so that will work. Okay, all right, so that's okay. So let's get this one again. So duplicate that one. Okay, so okay, so I just want to get the accurate numbers here. So the width of this text box, 354 divided by 2. Okay, 177. Just add 177 there, and we'll press enter. Okay, so that looks convincing. Then we'll do this. Control D. Definitely what Control D was made for. Okay, so select everything there. Good. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right. So let's do this. Start date, end date. END and the ATE, Control A. So Control A works like that. Okay, so end date. Okay, so all good. Okay, so status of trip. So I'll copy this one, Control C, and Control okay, so paste. Okay, so paste is right where we wanted it. All right, so that's okay. Then status of trip. Okay, let's make that wide. Okay, one more. So get this button here. So paste this right here because we want it right here. Okay, so this is 45 the height. So this one, I just say 45, enter. Okay, so save expense. Then move that there. Okay, all right, all good. Save trip. Okay. All right, okay, so there we are. That's a one-to-one approximation, almost one-to-one approximation with the reference image. So this is the end of this video. But I'll leave you guys with something. So like a small challenge series. So you guys are going to finish off this one. So this is for editing a trip. You create this menu here. Then you come and create this one where the list of trips are not listed here. Then you come and create this one to add an expense. Then you come and create this one where it's going to look like this. So everything will be in the reference section of this video, so you can download everything and continue the UI design process. So these ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm leaving them up to you for as part of the challenge series here. So thanks for watching. This is UI UX design review samples on YouTube. Remember to like, remember to subscribe to the videos, share the videos. Resources are in the description section of this video. Peace. I'm going to record another tutorial course again. So I'll see you guys in that other video or in that other course there. Laters. Thanks for watching.